Today's topic is photosynthesis. In this topic, we are going to learn about definition of photosynthesis, equation of photosynthesis, and factors of photosynthesis. Definition: photosynthesis is the process by which plants containing the green pigment chlorophyll build up complex organic molecules from simple inorganic ones. Photosynthesis is one of the most important life processes in the entire universe, as there is no other process provides food for all living organisms. Directly or indirectly, all the living organisms depend on the most important one and only one process in the entire living world, that is photosynthesis. The entire process of photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of green plants. All leaves are having the same basic structure: midrib, veins, and petiole. The main function of the leaf is to carry out photosynthesis, which provides the plant with the food it needs to survive. Plants provide food for all living organisms on the planet. That's why plants are said to be the universal food providers. Even though photosynthesis is a complex process, it is simply represented in the form of a chemical equation. 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. By observing the equation, we came to know the raw products or factors of photosynthesis. The equation says the overall process of photosynthesis. By utilizing these raw materials, plants prepare food materials. Let us proceed for the factors of photosynthesis. They are light, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. Let us start with the light. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation. It's a type of energy that travels in waves. The visible spectrum is the only part of the electromagnetic radiation whose wavelength is in between 400 to 700 nanometer, which appears in the form of rainbow, that is nothing but VIBGYOR, the rainbow colors. With the help of the photosynthetic pigments, the leaves absorb the particular wavelengths of visible light while reflecting others. Especially, green light is reflected back as the leaves are green in color due to the presence of green coloring pigment chlorophyll. Next factor, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plays an important role in photosynthesis. By utilizing the light energy, leaves convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Carbon dioxide enters into the leaves through stomata. In submerged and aquatic plants, carbon dioxide is absorbed in the form of carbonates and bicarbonates through the epidermal cells. Next factor, water. Water plays a major role in photosynthesis. By utilizing light energy, water molecule splits by the process of photolysis, and by proceeding several steps in the process of photosynthesis, it helps to synthesize the food material. Next factor is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is one of the most important green coloring pigment present in the chloroplast. The entire process of photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. The main function of chlorophyll is to trap solar energy and initiates the process of photosynthesis. Now let us once revise the points. Photosynthesis is one of the most important life process for all the living organisms in the world. It provides food for all the organisms. It provides a base for almost all the food chains. It leads to increase in biodiversity, and it mainly provides the life-supporting gas oxygen for all the living organisms.